Hi friends, today we are going to discuss another tool that is used for text to image generation, even text to video generation as well. This is a new tool and it is by Deep and its name is Deep AI text to image. If you go to the Google and search Deep AI text to image, you will see the first link is deepai.org. Please click this link and join with the help of your email. You will be on this page then. There are many options: AI chat, AI detector, and humanizer, but this is paid tool. Similarly, AI image generator, it's free. AI video generation, it's free. AI voice chat, it's free. And let's try it and see how we can generate an image. So let's write a prompt. Please make a picture of a man sitting on a bench beside a river where people are jogging. Let's hit generate, but please mind that there are other options as well. That is standard, HD, genius. This is paid tool. You can click speed or quality, and if you click this use oldie model, then the image will be like an old picture. So let's click this generate button and see what happens. This is quite fast. Let's see, this is the fast version, and this image is downloadable. You can download it and you can basically make changes in it as well. Here is the edit button. You have the options that you can enhance the image, you can remove the background, you can animate it, you can zoom out, you can expand the image, etc, etc. So these are all the options. You can talk to image as well. If you click this option, you can write and a story can be written by the AI regarding this image as well. So here there are some other images which I have previously generated, and if we go to the FAQ section or frequently asked question, here you can see that they are allowing to use it commercially. You can use it commercially. Similarly, you can use these images as NFTs. They are also allowing. Also, they are saying that they have an API available for this. Those APIs can be used in your tools as well. In future, we will be having some videos on these APIs as well. If you are interested, please comment. And then there is another question: who owns the output? So the output image is basically not owned by anyone. The AI generated images are free to use and anyone can use these. And there is another question regarding the copyright on the output. So there is no copyright on the output. You can use it freely. Similarly, there is another question on the quality of the image, and if the quality of the image is good for printing. So yes, they are saying that the quality is enough that can be printed. So this is a very good image. You can generate other images as well. You can click the quality, then the quality will be a bit more best as compared to this. Similarly, you can choose the styles as well. These are different styles, and using these styles you can generate different type of images, for example cartoonish or like a painting type or others. Similarly, there are 100 plus styles from which you can select. Now let's try the AI video, but before that let's make another image of a good quality. A mosquito with color wings and okay, it's okay. So let's make the image by clicking the quality, and let's click this one as well and see how we can get a good image. So now the speed will be a bit less as compared to the previous one where we have selected the speed, not the quality. Here the quality is also good, but let's see what's happened now. So the image is completed. Yeah, this is the image that is basically of an oldie style. So if we unclick this and recreate it again, then see what happens. Let's recreate it. Now this is a bit more realistic, and this is a close-up of the mosquito. Now let's try the AI video. You can generate videos, small clips or GIFs of the videos that can be used anywhere. So let's try the prompt that a man is jogging on a track where there are lot of flowers on both sides of the track. So a lot of so let's generate the video and see how good is this video. So this is quite fast. Meanwhile, if you haven't subscribed my channel, then you can subscribe it to see more such videos. So we are here, and the image is the video is almost generated. The quality of the video is not too good, but it's okay and is acceptable. A man is running on a track. On both sides there are a lot of flowers. These are basically sunflowers. You can basically the prompt can be revised, and you can make further images, and these images can be used again and again. You can download it as a GIF and as a video. So for today, I think so this is sufficient, and next time we will be with another tool. Thank you so much and take care.